Hey, let's create a vintage old photo effect with us together in Photoshop. First, press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the background layer. Then, we'll remove all colors of this image into black and white by Ctrl or Command Shift U. Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set blur radius at 1 pixel only. Next, Filter, Filter Gallery. Open Artistic folder and select the filter Film Grain. Make sure to set grain at 3 and highlight area at 5, then OK. Click to adjustment icon and select Photo Filter. Drop down Filter menu and select Warming Filter 85. You can increase the density of this filter a little bit to make it warmer. Create a new layer. Ensure foreground is black and background is white. If it's not, press D on the keyboard to bring back the default setting of it. Head to Filter, Render, Clouds. Change blend mode from normal to soft light and reduce the opacity to 41%. Now, we'll add textures to this image. After you open Textures photo in Photoshop, take it to the project. Ctrl or Command A for select all image. Ctrl or Command C for copy. Move back to the project. Let's paste the texture with Ctrl or Command V, then resize it. Ctrl or Command T. Zoom out a little bit to have a view. Click to the corner and drag out to expand the photo till it's over the subject. Change to screen in blend mode and reduce the opacity to make it look realistic. Let's add blur to the texture. Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. 2 pixels is enough. Now we'll add another filter to make the image just like captured long time ago. To do that, create a new layer and fill this layer with white color by Ctrl or Command Delete. Change blend mode to linear burn. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. This time, we open Texture folder and choose Texturizer. Make sure to choose Canvas in Texture box. That's great! Reduce the opacity to around 65% and put all layers into group. Have fun with it! If you find this tutorial is helpful, please hit like and subscribe buttons, and you can enjoy our tutorials about Photoshop technique, tips while learning. Free tutorials are launched day by day, so it will satisfy your needs in case you are interested in Photoshop. Please leave comments right below the video in case you have any questions. Thank you and see ya!